India! Lead India!
India leads the world.
This is all your tapasya. This is tapasya.
Rama.
And monk like me always appreciate such tapasya. See, church representative, wherever he goes, he first puts the stone of a hospital. And not hospital, if suppose it is very costly, then he puts the stone of a dispensary. And then after, school. These two are the basic needs. After need, roti, kapda, makan, bread, a shelter, and clothes. The two most needed services are one, the education and the medical assistance. They start with medical assistance and with the service-oriented thing, school and hospital. After that, slowly and slowly.
Once children go to the classes, definitely one lab, this lab, that lab. Once students go to the classes, the whole of the Christian community serves education and health.
Yes. Completely service-oriented religious approach they have. We are free monks. We go to a remote place like forest, hill, caves. Try to go away from the humanity, society. And after we go anywhere, near any village, we first burn a fire, their water. Which is the practice long back when India was very poor. Now the system in India has changed. Now we are making imagination of leading the world. So we have to change according to the world. As per the need. Suppose I am going to Makkah, I want to fulfill all the karma kandam of this saffron. This is not possible. Many times I go to Ajmer. Here, the Muslim shrine is here, very famous. Muslim fakir complained to me, Bola Baba, don't put this. Please, because you are our elder brother. Hinduism is the elder brother of Islam. Fakir scholars, Bade Bhai. I said to them, I don't have cloth. They brought all the green cloth. I took it with all respect, and other than Langoti inside, I changed on. And then sat with them. For 15 days we just sang Qawwali, Bhajan, all time, all Sufi monks. And the chief priest told me, next year if you don't come, we shall not start this course. You are the most important, because when you are here, we get a lot of donation. Okay. I will come every year. Every year I have to go there. Anywhere I am in India, they search me. So,
like that, any churches?
Many churches. In South India, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, churches. All churches.
Your experiences where you have gone to the churches?
I think more than 200 churches have been there.
Atithi Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava. Lead India! Lead India! Lead India!
Good afternoon. As Madam mentioned, it is a very auspicious day. I am feeling same kind of happiness when on 20th January, June 2013, when our former President of India, Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, came here on the same platform and inaugurated this school. I am feeling same sort of happiness. Rather, in a spiritual plane, I am getting myself dissolved in that happy state. It is the vibration, it is the radiation that Madam is feeling, I am feeling, I am sure every one of you are also feeling same sort of a great spiritual vibration here. Wherever there is a magnet, it has got its own power of attraction. So also, among the universe, among 84 lakhs of species, it is the human being who alone can understand the universe and also can understand the Creator and His creation's beauty. It is only the human being. And that is how so many religions come into existence, where they have been like scientists investigating into the infinity. How we can understand the Creator and the creation. In that context, Lord Buddha experienced this in Buddha Gaya Jnana, and he started preaching about Buddha, and the followers have become Buddhists. Likewise, Muhammad, likewise Jesus, likewise all other religions. Okay, but beyond the barriers of each religion, at this stage of experience, everyone gets the same sort of experience. That is why here Shirdi Sai Baba says, Sabka Malik Ek. That is the essence. So likewise here we have got Paramahamsa Bholenath Maharaj Ji. Ever since God united me with him, the moment I start by prayer, his blessings I experience. That God has connected us with him and with every one of you also. Here we are all in a mission of leading youth and leading the India. That is how Lead India 2020, under the chief mentorship of Abdul Kalam ji, bringing a big movement. And Swamiji, he has done his PhDs in physics and the university, so many things academically. He has accomplished what an academician should accomplish. After that, in the investigation, he found out more than this mundane education, whether it is MSc physics or chemistry. Beyond that, the chemistry of the Creator is to be understood. Beyond its PhDs, there he left all the things. He was there in the jungles, Gufas, Himalayas, Haridwar, whatever spiritual places, Ajmer for Muslims, and about 200 churches, prominent churches, all this he has visited. And ultimately, can you believe we all study in the scriptures, taking sannyasa and then doing tapash for how many years? Last 35 years, he was into jungles, he was into caves, he was into his own meditation. After that, he got a direction from God that he has to fulfill the remaining work of Swami Vivekananda. That is how he left again that spiritual, continuing the spiritual path to continue the works of Swami Vivekananda. That is how today Paramahamsa Bholenath Ji Maharaj Ji is with us. And to continue the mission of Swami Vivekananda, where from he has to start? Asharam Bapuji, Art of Living, so many national and international organizations invited him. Again, we do not know. It is our own luck and grace of God. He identified Lead India 2020 as a spiritual, pure, sacred platform. He has chosen that. Now he is the promoter of Lead India 2020 Second National Youth Movement to take it across the world. He is going to take to America and so many other countries and other states. That is how God connected Lead India 2020 movement. As a sailor of that Lead India 2020 movement, I am at his lotus feet. As a part of the Lead India 2020 national movement, now today he has come here to look after the Lead India Bharat Ratna, compiling a national education model, how it is happening. He is seeing here, he is going to have interaction with the teachers and some of the students. He has gone through the all, more than the buildings, more than this. The correlation of ancient sciences with the modern sciences. Correlation of the East and the West with our own lesson planning. He is going to guide all the teachers, all of us in compiling this national education model. Without taking much of his time, it is all grace of God. See the transition, see the journey in his own life. Started with like any other academicians, gone into the Himalayas 35 years without seeing human beings. 7 years, he has not seen the human beings in these 35 years. Can you imagine what sort of ecstasy, experiences, spiritual experiences he has got? From last 2 days, I am spending day and night with him. I am really feeling how God is kind enough to me to present me such a blessed Swamiji. All that I will be with you and I will be sharing for leading this Lead India movement as well as Lead India Bharat Ratna, without taking much of his time. For him to understand what is this movement going on here in Bharat Ratna. Recently we have started compare and compete with your own self for excelling 2015 CBSE exam, Swamiji. So there in 9th and 10th classes we have started an experiment. How they can implement the principle of comparing.
My name is Kritika Pandey. My aim is to become an IAS officer. My aim is not just to become IAS and just to earn money. It is to serve my country. Because many people think that being an IAS is a good form of earning money, but not like that. It's a way of serving your country too. Now coming back to what I was saying, the compare and compete with yourself assessment has made me change, has made a very dense change in me. Before, I used to compete with many students in my class. Not only in this school, but in many schools which I have changed, in the previous school too. I used to compete with my friends. And due to this, the result was that I used to feel that if I not study, then I could lose my position. It will be bad for my image. But now, as I'm comparing from myself, I'm able to learn. I'm able to compete. I'm able to understand the deepness of the topic. I'm correlating myself, my subjects, with the way they were and now how they are. And even what the inferiority complex of mine has removed. Just because of comparing and competing with myself. Thank you.
I dream. You dream the dream which you do not think possible to touch. Believe me, once you know how to dream, the big dreams will attract you, and your working capacity, your nature, your behavior, all will change and it will become suitable to your dream. So the purpose should be very high. The motto of life should be very high. If you fix up yourself to climb onto the top of the Everest, I am damn sure. Suppose by the way, because of some reasons you are not able to reach to Everest, you will reach at least to some smaller, higher and higher position. Certainly. And naturally, that will be higher than the rest of the world. when a sovereign, kind-hearted man, non-violent man, takes an oath to scale the heights, God is always behind him. Some claims we always do. To become world leader, India has all 7 qualities. What is found in a guru. We are not going to dominate anybody politically. We are going to really take a message of God, that's peace. And messenger, you all are there. All, you all. At this stage also, Kunal and Sanghamitra, at your stage, were sent by his father Ashoka the Great to Sri Lanka to teach Sri Lankan barbarian people what is non-violence. Why you cannot? You can also do. And opportunities here in this educational center. The name itself discloses the sentiment of the founder. How he named it Bharat Ratna. Who is Desh Ratna? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. How many Bharat Ratnas there are? So many. And here, everybody. Your whole certificate will show you, everywhere you go. The examiner of your certificate will see Bharat Ratna first. I am sure he will bow down to your certificate. Why such situation arrives? Why such situation arrives? Because when you decide something at the time of deprivation, your oath comes true. Swami Vivekananda, to whom we are so much proud of, he had gone to Chicago with a torn cloth. When he reached from Srinagar to Kanyakumari, his all clothes were torn. He was looking like a beggar young man. He was caught by the villagers in Tamil Nadu and they suspected him to a thief. He was brought to a police station that time. And there he proved he was a monk. Then whole village followed him up to 60 kilometers towards Rameshwaram. This was the attraction of an honest tapasvi monk who devoted his whole life to the country. And now we are, as one day will come, as we are proud of Swami Vivekananda, you will be proud of yourself. I want that, I expect, I pray God, that you should appreciate yourself and compete with yourself and be victorious over yourself. How? Just rejecting the demands of bad wishes. Just reject the demands of bad subjects and you will be always victorious. Alexander did nothing, only he controlled his mouth. When he fought with the army, with the enemy, he was a terror. His name was enough. Many people, many kings surrendered to him only hearing his name, because he was most justified. Shivaji of your India. A small story I tell you of Shivaji. A queen was arrested. A Muslim queen was arrested by Hindu people. And they brought that great queen to Shivaji. Keep her as a servant. But Shivaji, what he did, he offered her, first he called her mother, and then offered her a lot of jewels, a lot of clothes, made her sit in a very beautiful vehicle, and sent back to the husband of the lady with high respect, with government respect. We are like this. Today, India is a democratic system and it is a secular country. Secular means secular itself is a religion. To believe everything is called secular. I go to Ajmer I go to all Muslim shrines. I visited more than 200 churches, spent night there in Srinagar, where a lot of rumors are there in the society that they are very great killers, they are terrorists. I also heard. The Indian military stopped me in Jammu, said, don't go, you will be killed. I said, I am a monk, I am already dead. You do not think about my killing. I will go, I will come back. And I went, I stayed there in a mosque for 3 months. And everybody loved me. Girls like you, boys like you, all they came to me. And every morning I used to yajan also, and I used to pray my own mantras also. It makes no difference. I was not disturbed. When I came back to Jammu again and made contact with the same military captain, he smiled and said, "Your Vardi, Vardi means this color. Your Vardi is stronger than me. I salute. So you have a better future than me. I salute you, everybody." Whatever, suppose you want to ask any question, please solicit it. I love to everybody who is sitting before me, who is sitting around me. Even I love every atom of this school. Try to make it green, green, green. I know you will be successful. I will again keep on coming because Swamiji has, now we are one. Swamiji in Ganagapur, Karnataka, he said to me, how you want to start the Lead India movement. I said, I want to be the warden of your school. Yes, I want to be, still I said. I will be feeling very happy if I am with the young students. We can do in the morning the PT, parade, yoga, whatever. Classes are there, go to class. Food should be good. That everything I find is proper, well, and you all are very disciplined. Usually I was not. When I was like you. Because that was the time, very, very remote area, village. No teachers were available with pant shirt. They were coming in all dhoti kurta. We used to call them Guruji. Guruji. And that time, punishment was compulsory. So sometimes we were beaten like anything. Whoever it was, the teachers had all the rights. Now, you people are in a different world. That time, I used to write, once my teacher said, write down a letter to your father and ask 50 rupees for books. I wrote down in Hindi. The style is quite old. And I wrote down, I finished the letter. I did not know that a stamp or also a ticket is needed to paste it. And immediately, only with the address, I put in the letter box. I went to school. Teacher said, did you write the letter? I said, sir, I wrote the letter, I sent it to father. He said, no, you are lying. I said, no, sir, I'm not lying, sir. No. Oh, you did not write? Write down now. I said, yes, sir. I wrote down. Then he said, did you really write and send your father? Yes, sir. Okay. After 10 days, 150 rupees money order came to the school itself. The teacher called me. I went there. He said, yes, you are truthful. I'm very happy. But why you put the letter in the letter box? And why you did not bring it here in the class? I said, sir, it was a private letter. I had written to my father. How can I show you? Whole school smiled. And I was given 10 rupees extra as a, what do you call it? Prize. For your concentration. 2 minutes. How you should study. Try just to get a routine of getting up early in the morning. This is the only way. All the genius studied in the Brahma Muhurta, what you call 4 to 6 in the morning. Boys, maximum, they gossip a lot and they do not go to bed early. Yes, this is a fact. So, boys and girls both, Suppose somebody thinks that I'm going to fail at in the examination. You get up early in the morning only. Don't study, no problem. But you get up early in the morning and think, sit and think. Certainly, after 2-3 days, you will find that you are thinking only about your minus points. Where am I weak? Then you write down on the paper, here, 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 here. Meet your teacher. One thing is very big problem, agitation. At this age, agitation is a permanent natural factor. Like boys are more hesitant, I think. Agitation is speaking another language, you hesitate. Talking about advanced culture, you hesitate. Now better teacher is who? Who is the best teacher today in society? Tell me. Who is the best teacher? You. Speak sitting, no problem. Who is the best teacher? Huh? Parents, okay. Next. Father, okay. Next. Who is the best teacher today in society? Father, mother, yourself. Yes, this is truth. You are the teacher of yourself. Because I think in every family there is a mobile. Selection is yours. So you are the best teacher. Now, non-living things have become teacher. Like television. That is called idiot box in India. Idiot box. Because it speaks only, it does not listen. Mobile, most fastest informatory machine. You put the button. Now it is what is happening in the temples, arati and songs, the bhajan. Non-living things are singing. Yes. In every pocket you will find some bhajan, some here, some connection there is a here. When I moved somewhere, once I was in Orissa, and there I wanted to ask somebody, a young boy, I said, where is Puri, how to go, you tell me. And he said, what? I said, where is Puri? Oh, yes. Where is Puri, how to go Puri? Oh, Puri. Okay. I said, how to go, take right turn or left turn? You advise me. He said, okay, I'm telling you. First let me be settled with the song. And he put the button again. And he said, yes, Swami, now tell me. I said, your mental transformation is so slow. Well, no, I'm busy listening song. This is my favorite. Very good, thank you. So I should go right or left? He go, you go right, you go right. Okay, thank you. Hey, move, hey. Then what he said, I'm sorry, Swami, I was talking to my teacher. I said, I had some sweets, I gave it to him. I said, yes, you prefer teacher to talk. I'm happy. Thank you very much. Where you want to go? Sir, I'm going to Puri, I'm waiting for the bus. No, come here inside. And he came inside, he became my friend. Later on he said to me that every boy is having a mobile and talking. Mobile is the best teacher now, but I'm happy that you are the teacher of mobile. Yes, at this age only you can decide something fixed. No change is possible in future. This is the age of creation. Putting good seeds of high character. What Modi is having? He was distributing tea on the railway platform. Today he is the Prime Minister. How? Only single thing is having character. There is nothing bigger than character in the world. Character. Character suiting to the aim, motto, purpose. Character. If you want to become an IAS officer, you have to behave like an IAS officer. If you want to become president, you must behave like a president from today, now. What your mind thinks, you become. Now we are planning to lead the world. To where? Where we want to lead the world? Where world could be one. Completely one. No second government. World will become one country, one religion, one constitution, one ruler. That is Sanatan. It is endless talk. If children are interested to ask me, you can ask me. I am sitting now. Thank you and lead India.
But he says in the evening, विश्व का कल्याण हो, धर्म की जय हो, अधर्म का नाश हो, विश्व का कल्याण हो, प्राणियों में सद्भावना हो, ऐसी बातें करते हैं. How and why? This is our prayer. While we remember God also, we pray not for us only. We pray for everybody, even for the animals, birds, trees, plants, whatever living thing on this planet. We pray for the security of all. This is the culture. The answer of becoming a monk is in India. It is a very serious question. Why are there monks in India? Why every year when Jesus comes to this culture? The culture of sacrifice, the culture of leaving others in a better condition than our own self. This culture developed. It took, I think, millions of years. In the Dictionary of Chambers, there is a word, Maya. You must have heard about Maya culture in Central America. It writes like this: most ancient Indian culture. Find out in Mexico, in bracket, Central America, millions years ago. What does this mean? Millions years ago. The period of modern civilization, I think, goes on up to 10,000 years. 10,000 years back there was a battle in India, Das Ragya Yuddha. So 10 kings fought. That is accepted as Mahabharata. Evidently history says it. NCERT also writes like that. This country, the boats are found in Mesopotamia. Indian made boats are found in Mesopotamia. Names of girls in Mexico is Puspa, Sita, yes, Savitri. Malaysia, it is rule of Malaysian parliament that without touching, when the bill of law is passed in the parliament, that bill is taken to इसको क्या कहेंगे पादुका Paduka, and they, with high respect they touch the final bill to the Paduka and then accepted in the country, whole of Malaysia. Whose Paduka it is? They say it's Ram Paduka. And they play very well Ramayana. In Russia also, they play Ramayana. So how far Ram was there? He never went to there. There is no evidence there. But there is. In Tamil Nadu, in Karnataka, many stories are there in the society. They talk about how Ram came here, how he behaved with Sugriva, how he fought, how Lakshman prepared for the battle against Ravana. In society, in the Prakrit language, we find the bhajan of Sri Ram. He is the God of India. I think it is He only who has committed. Krishna also committed. Means God committed to us only on this planet, earth. I will come, be sure. I will come when there will be imbalance between the good and bad. When the devils will start harassing good people, I promise I will come. He promised to culture. So why and how so many monks in India? The answer is very simple. Because in India, females are all sati ladies. Only sati you understand, I think. Sati, wife of one man, is called sati. Wife of high integrity is called sati. A lady completely dedicated to herself and to her cultural aspects is called sati. Like Draupadi. Draupadi was a sati. She was married to 5 people. Why this culture says she was sati? Yes, she was sati. Because she was, how great she was devoted to all 5 equally. And all 5 were jointly very happy. They became victorious of Mahabharata. A female has enormous power. My mother used to speak to me while I was a child. You will become a monk one day. My father says, you will become monk one day. Then what will happen? Who will talk like this? I used to say, I will never become a monk. How can I beg from people? I am your son and you are so rich. She told me. He is there. And he sent you for this only. Oh, you know it? She said, yes, I know. How you know? She said, during all 9 months, she did not take anything eatable material. She vomited. And she always felt that she is sleeping on the bed of a big cobra. Inside her womb also there is a big cobra. And she was just having water and little corn for 9 months. She said, this is enough experience that you will become a monk, I know. And she used to cry also sometimes. But while I became a monk, I saw flat face, no reaction. Father was no doubt, he was disturbed. But mother, she was very strong. The answer is only a sati, a great woman, only can propel a monk. Not everybody. In the world, there is no social system, there is no such culture what we are so prosperous about our civilization and culture. In the Western countries, I do not denounce it, but they are still not able to fix and settle their family system. Why is there so much suicide in Western countries? 3 days back, one disciple phoned me and said, a lady has cut her own body with sharp machine, maybe blade or something, but whole body she is bleeding. Why, Swami? You come to America. Americans need you. Because you will be here, they will learn how to live, how to love, how to fix up the family system, how to sacrifice. He talks like that. It means socially, religiously, philosophically, we are really strong. Money-wise, we are not strong. Yes, this is correct. Our country is no doubt suffering with the disease of corruption, the disease of politicians' manipulations. But these are disease. Once they are disease, there are cure also. Without medicine, there is no disease in the body. Cancer and AIDS, this is not a disease. This is a curse. This is the curse of time. It is incurable. But the Ayurveda has cure of biggest disease in the world. With my own eye I have seen in the forest of Bastar. The Adivasi people stay there. The medicine of AIDS, the medicine of cancer, so many. One example I saw, that they had a small saucer, like this, but made up of wooden. And what they used to do, suppose some lady does not want more children because they have 12 children, 20 children, whole life they bear children. So they put on the stomach and the matter was finished within 10 minutes. Only that saucer. I said to them, language was a big problem and land is muddy. Anywhere, suppose you are putting at a wrong place your leg, you will go inside the earth. So police does not go in that area because whole jeep goes down. It is all mud. And on the top it is it is very much pretending. So many times, there also I saw, they are Indians, they have developed miraculous medicines, but they are afraid to give us. Why? They think that this medicine the civilized people will take and misuse it. Why should we give it up? So they have their own law. 3 years back, 4 villages of Aryan society are found in Himalaya. They stop anybody going to their village by their cosmic power. They do not talk. By mantra, they create a retaliation power, invisible. And anybody who is trying to enter into the area, he is pushed back. Otherwise he goes mad. Many English people tried, but nobody is able to enter their village. They are in the right, real Aryan village. Our existence on this planet is for ruling this planet with love, with philosophy, with religion, not with sword and bloodshed, bloodshed. We never did it. Inside India, many kings, small kings used to fight with each other. But intense and the total culture comes to one point, that is fraternity, brotherhood. We are so kind. A Hindu king never attacked anybody, suppose by the way, attacked also, they fought with each other, but they did not insult anybody. We never insulted any citizen of any country. We are prosperous with our knowledge, we are prosperous with the science of metaphysical sciences of yoga, 6 philosophies of India. World is trying to learn it. Many girls and boys are coming to Himalaya paying heavy donations. What for learning 2-3 yoga knowledge, they want training. Lead India. Certainly, I have not done it. I believe that it will take 6-8 months. I think. But if it takes, suppose 2020 also, I will be happy. Because this great stage has been already created. I have to just take a matchbox, just to fire it. And this fire of knowledge, cold fire, not burning fire, will spread all over the world. It makes light. See, the fire when it makes light is cold. When fire burns, it is not cold, it's not. All the electric, see, it is fire. So, nothing more than this. Something might be left. I have not spoken to you. Take it guaranteed that India is going to be the world that will lead this institution. It is going to be the center of big operation. And you all are the directors of the worldwide operation. Remember in the whole life, what looks very, very difficult, in reality it is too easy. And what looks too easy is really very difficult. Like, it looks too easy to become a monk. But how difficult it is. Oh. Saraswati is not able to write the life of how a monk struggles. How he struggles, greater than the military force. You know, this Hinduism is depending completely on beggary. We are supported by donors. We are going on the road, somebody is coming, take Swami 20 rupees, thank you. Swami, you eat? Yes, I take milk. And okay, you five packets of milk, okay? Oh, thank you, thank you. Give me 2 only, because I cannot carry food. This is not my rule. Oh, give me 2 only. I will take 2, proceed. Without taking name in other religions, it is not there. Because we depend on the sky, resources of the sky. We do like this, Bhiksham Dehi. Means we are not begging from a man, we are begging from the God. And he has given everything. Swamiji last time came, you saw his life, you have read everything. A struggle was so fantastic. But as Ramakrishna Paramhans already had done a lot in the cosmic powers, he was a great tantric also. So for Vivekananda it became very easy. Just he put fire and the fire is still burning in the old world. In the same way, what he has done a lot of tapas. Just see creating this beautiful building, such culture among boys and girls, such good students, such a group of knowledgeable teachers. He has already created. So my work is very easy. That is why I speak. It is very easy. I am speaking, it is very easy because you have made it easy. Such things take 100 years, 200 years in getting accomplished. Like RSS was started by one monk, and today he is now dictating the Prime Minister. And the result came after 150 years. In the same way Sai Ram was born long back, more than 100 years. Just since last 20-25 years Sai Ram has come. When a monk leaves his body, his tapas attracts yash. Jesus be with us. Jesus be with us. Ram be with us. Allah be with us. When we say, certainly all the gods of all the religions bless us. When their gods are blessing us, certainly those gods will be accepted by those people believing in another religion. But the knowledge of God, India is monopolistic. Many things they have already come to know from us. After Second World War, when they started distributing books, Indian books, found in Germany, they were able to, which book should be put which side. So they weighed it and just made 50-50%. This is the reason Russia and America still get together while the matter of space comes. They are enemies, but they get together because they are compelled to do so. Half formula is with Russia, half formula with America. They all do research on the Indian epics. One American said, he said to me last 3 years back in Himalaya, Ashtasiddhi, is it possible to come up in the air? I said yes. Is it possible to be 7 places at one time? I said yes. So what is the power of a yogi? I said, a yogi can break the earth into 100 pieces. And if by the evidence, his camera was on, and there are many foreigners. He said, what is the evidence that a yogi can break the earth? I said, you want to see? You will find it also, if I am honest to my speech. Immediately the whole Himalaya started trembling. all the big peaks doing like this. I fell down. He also fell down. Everybody was scared for 4 seconds. And everybody believed that what Swami said had become true. I saw in the sky, oh, you are so much with me. That day I believed it. One of my disciples, Gyan Giri, was there. He started shouting, crying like anything. Yes, you have proved. Today I go down to you. I always used to do argument with you. Onward I will not do it. A black dog came. I said, keep him here. He was here. A small puppy. I was sitting inside the hut and a tiger was outside. And the small dog, he is barking so loudly, non-stop. And tiger, I heard it. I said, oh, my dog is in danger. I said, come. Ow. I said, I did. Huh? Immediately what I watched, the dog is inside and the tiger is also on the door, sitting. I was afraid. The animal can attack. And dog? No, he's not afraid at all. When I left him on the ground, he again just got out and started barking on the tiger. And tiger is doing like this. I saw from inside the hole. What to give? This small dog cannot do the food of this big tiger. What can I do? And one punch of tiger was able to break the walls of my hut. I sit in asana and I pray Goddess. You have come to my door and I have no power to offer water to you directly. Immediately in the sky, such a big thunderbolt came. A total, all hills trembled. With all leaving my fear, I went outside. I had nothing but sugar, only sugar. On the palm I put and I went slowly to him. I said, like this. I understand, what I said at Amtali, I understand that. All my scriptures speak that Goddess Durga always on your back. I know I cannot see with the open eye, but I assume she is with you and you yourself is Durga have to come to darshan, offer your darshan to me. Take this. I have nothing. And he took out his long tongue and 3 times he did like this. And then he went down. I was watching the sky. What is happening? Who are you, sir? Playing a game so miraculous with myself. After that he went to Madi Mahesh. There is a culture that all the female and male of Himalaya, when they see a monk, they come out. And they offer little things. They all eatable material, somebody fruit, somebody like this. And also Himalaya keeps miraculous jari booty Ayurvedic. I had 2 leaves. One, my Guru said, you take this on the night of Purnima. And it is eye cure. It will cure any eye booty. I said, all right. I took on the night of Purnima, midnight, I took 2 only leaves and put inside my book, the one religious book, Gita, inside. After many years, when I came out of tapas and started moving in India, many places I used that. I touched the eyes and the man was cured. Same thing happened near Gulbarga. Aditya Birla factory is there, cement factory. The son of general manager was suffering with eye operation. And I was very hungry. I wanted food. I went to their canteen. I said, you give me some food. He said, yes. Swami, sit down. So, somebody went to the general manager and said, some Swami has come to canteen. And your son is in problem. So why not you call him here? Somebody came to me, I went to his office. They were prepared to sit inside the car to go to Dhaka. Some other city. I remembered, okay. I took out that leaf and touched with the eyes of the boy. And he started watching very clear, no need of operation. That book I lost in Kerala. Some monk took it. Yes. But Himalaya keeps miraculous things. Like, one day I was very much hungry. My guru was ahead to me. We were traveling. So, I said to him, let us go fast, I am hungry. He said, oh, you don't deserve to stay here in Himalaya. Why you talk about hunger? In Himalaya, hungry? Wait. He went down among the bushes and took out this much small fruit. This much small fruit, and gave me 2 only. I said, इससे क्या होगा? ये तो नाक में घुस जाएगा. What he said? खाओ तो पता चलेगा. And I put in my mouth. That fruit started becoming bigger, and it became this much bigger. Just like Rasgulla, it was so sweet. One I could not eat. Amritam started dripping inside from Brahmastra to Manipur Chakra, and I was so happy. I started singing. He said, "Ek hi mein power ho gaya." As you take care of your son and daughter, same way. It is a culture of monks. They take disciple as their son and daughter. Huh? Yes. तो हमें क्या पता है? मेरा तो कुछ नहीं था. The way I was traveling mostly away from the humankind, because I believe that unless a single subject is not coming to my mind from the one, I will become free mentally. Life, if you are satisfied with fine, then you start thinking about your dreams. You start dreaming certainly. Okay. So dream of what? World dream. My friends, I think you are certainly, you are world dream. But here you have to see how much acceptance is there. You are accepted. What is the percentage of acceptance? Not only in India, outside also. So symbolically, you will have to behave like an international man, right? And this is very difficult. You can act for some time as an international personality, talking about Christianism, talking about themselves, because you know humankind always needs appreciation. You speak little Allah, the Muslim will become very happy. You see Jai Sri Ram, Muslim will become very happy. You speak Hallelujah, and Christian will become surprisingly my mantra also. You speak Oh Mane Pene Oh Dalai Lama will become very happy. You speak Osho, they will become very happy. You chant the mantra of Zarathustra, and Jews will become very happy. Why? You have to do something that makes everybody happy equally than you are equal. Your act should guide the whole world, and then little your every action should be copied by your followers very well. Your movement also, they must love you. So how to become a personality where all one loves you? This is the first quality that you take and conceive within you in your command. You must know your army. Army is always foolish. Commanders are always genius. I want to show you the film of an example. How a lone person enlightened the truth that only a single person has done some change in the human life force. Groups could do nothing. We are analyzing. We are trying to create a group of the people who believe in the same ideology. Yes, it is leader. But when everybody will become a leader of his own self, that is a better idea. How can you do it? You have an opportunity. I appreciate the training you are offering, you are learning. But what I think, you just listen. That total project, total idea is based on income and expenses. Because I always believe that there is one fact. If your pocket is not having money, you cannot think of it. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? So to initiate, is the last need of human being. And you know, every person in the world needs self-actualization, and that way goes through philosophy, not through religion. You know, at the end of Osho, many Muslim higher grade people became his disciples. What for? Creation, all joined together, three is called the traffic. But we have no doubt got a misdefinition of our every subject. That is why we sometimes are diverted from the actual learning, from the actual knowledge, from the actual philosophy. Our children will think that way, and the Muslim student will say, oh, your body is having 3 heads, my body is having 8. The boy will sing his way. But do you know my body having 3 heads? My Guruji told me 3 heads means 3 brains. One brain is destructive, another brain is constructive, and third brain is protective. So from the protective brain, we protect the whole world. When the world becomes the part of sinners, then we start our destructive brain and kill them, finish them. Yada yada hi dharmasya abhyati bhavati. जब जब धर्म की हानि होती है, मैं आता हूँ अर्जुन और मैं सारे पापियों का वध करता हूँ। ये रामायण, ये देखो, इतना बड़ा महाभारत, हर जगह मैं ही मर रहा हूँ, मैं ही मार रहा हूँ और मैं ही मृत्यु। यानी सर्वत्र तो ब्रह्म है, तो हम क्या करें? तब यानी thinking about your goal is तब। What is your goal? In meditation also, if you are thinking how India will become world leader, you will get an answer. It depends on how intense, and you need power to become leader. Without power, is it possible for you? Or anybody? Without power, Modi become Prime Minister? Oh, it is within you. Without awakening, it is not possible for you to think about lead world. That is the only way. To lead the world, that is the only way. There is no other way, according to me. The slogan, what for it is there, what for that photo is there, dream to think to plan to act, realize dream. Realize dream. I am showing a dream. For you it is a dream. Unless the sense of sacrifice does not exist, your social status can do 0 only. You think about yourself. What to do? To lead India leads, you will have to spoil your life, mind it. You cannot be happy in your personal life. This is a way to burn yourself, to finish yourself, to crush and spoil yourself. You cannot keep up your single desire which is connected to the society. You will have to sacrifice everything, even clothes also will. Because world only listens from India, saffron, no other color world likes. Did not you realize when Obama gave the books of Swami Vivekananda, what message he wanted to put to India? Did he appreciate anybody else? No. And he said, this is the costliest thing I can offer you, Mr. Modi, from America. How you can neglect your spiritual strength and only in a way. And spiritual strength, you are lucky.
Is it possible through this social organizations like India movement, or is it possible by capturing power? I mean to say that those who are in power, see, they are determined to follow your teaching or your path. It becomes very easy.
Yes. I agree. It is easy. But too difficult is to become the commander, to fight with the bad enemies. That is the only problem, that you deserve it. Once you deserve, your problem go down to you, remember it. This is utopian imagination. Is it not? You want to rule the world? Huh? Politically it is impossible. You have no strength. Economically, we are slave-like. You take the total economy of the country, you will find billions of monies going out of the country. And because of our policies. That is not my subject. You want to pluck stars living on the planet Earth? Is it possible? You want a diamond, you do not want to pay the price?
They are need to pay the price. So it's not the question of not paying the price. One has to sacrifice. One has to sacrifice. And unless one is prepared to sacrifice anything, he will not achieve anything. Nothing can be achieved unless there is sacrifice. We have to sacrifice. You are right. That aspect is absolutely correct. Unless one is prepared to sacrifice.
Okay, you have accepted that you have to sacrifice.
Yes.
Accepted? Accepted everybody? India leads if you are ready to sacrifice. Simple things, not very big things. Only uppering the heart. Keep the things as per your need. Suppose you need one lighter, you keep one. If you need one bottle of water, you keep one. How many houses one central leader is having? This question should go to Parliament. They should pack it on that. And mind it is possible. Once you are ready to sacrifice yourself, it is possible the whole world will go down to you, not only Indian Parliament, who is asking about the thieves. And the low character people, they are living for their own children. They are living for their own wives. They are living for their own self-amusement. I think, whom I don't know, whose name also I know his character. This is my problem. I will admit it. Sacrifice. Sacrifice. This t-shirt, I promise I will not change my t-shirt unless it is not torn out. I promise. I promise that I will not take food. I will sacrifice that for the whole of life until India does not become the world leader. At least you will have to act like your leader. Blindly. Yes, questions are always awaited, solicited. I will clear your mind. Where you are weak, you will make questions. Where you are aggressive, you will not make questions, you will answer. What is the easiest thing in the world? To make a question. No, it is the strongest and the most difficult subject to make a right question. Answers are very easy. And if the answers are longer than the questions, there is some fraudulence. That is not the right answer. Answers follow. Always smaller than the question. And my answer is sacrifice, one word. Sacrifice of what? He did sacrifice, he was a brahmachari. He did sacrifice. But in today's situation, you will sacrifice under some limitation. So how to sacrifice? What type of lifestyle you should have? That symbolically it could be one example for everybody.
Here, brothers, I want to take the opportunity to see how costly things are happening. Here is a belief that his goal is, he has come down all the way, living all 35 years of tapasya to make Vishwa Guru Bharat. And for that, he, in his meditation, he conceived, art of living has gone to him, Asharam Bhavati has gone to him, several other national organizations have gone to him. Out of all that, it is his
Asharam came to meet me in the forest of Himalaya, in Kadalibanam, where one of my disciples was sleeping on the top of the tree. In the early in the morning, he used to go for a morning walk. And he used to have darsana of my disciple. My disciple was crying. Somehow he got connected with me. He called me. Without phone. Yes. I know. Nothing is left of yoga science. What you read, you can see in action. I promise you. I am not unprepared. And one more thing, I declare here, it can be taken in granted and it can be printed, it can be sent to the society also. I am alone is enough. Alone enough. Alone
is enough to make you Vishwa Bharat.
The same person. See, education to form character. Is it for writing only? Is it for writing sake? There should be somebody who could act like him. Then he is the follower of Gandhi. Otherwise he is fraud. Sacrifice. Without sacrifice, in Sanskrit there is a small slogan. Mukhe mriga singhasya वीर कार्य बिना कार्य किए हुए सोए हुए सिंह के मुख में मृगा नहीं जाता, उसे भी दौड़ लगानी पड़ती। मृगा को मारना कितना आसान है, एक थप्पड़ मारता है बस सिंह, उस एक थप्पड़ के लिए कितनी दौड़ लगानी पड़ती है उसके पीछे। आपने देखा होगा डिस्कवरी चैनल में। वैसी तेजी लानी होगी। जैसे आज दलाई लामा के सामने समस्या ये है कि उनके बच्चों के आधार कार्ड बन गए। वो सारे बच्चे यहाँ पैदा हुए भारत में, धर्मशाला में, या तो चंद्रगिरी पर्वत पर, नहीं तो गुलबर्गा में, उन्हीं के स्थान है सारे, वो रिफ्यूजी हमारे यहाँ। लेकिन वो क्या कर रहे हैं वास्तव में? क्या वो रिफ्यूजी की तरह हैं? नहीं, वो हमारे देश के किसानों को पीट लेते हैं, थाने में घूस देकर के बच जाते हैं। और दलाई लामा के जितने साधु हैं वो रसीद बुक रखते हैं अपने पास और रसीद काटते हैं फॉरेनर से घूम घूम के। हम लोग विद्या सिखाते हैं तो हम लोगों को वो लोग मूर्ख कहते हैं। बौद्धिस्ट साधु जो मॉन्क होते हैं, they call us foolish and beggar. Yes, we are proud of being beggar because we are not the burden of the world. We are not living a life of any investment, any expenses. Sacrifice is the base of Sanatanism. Chanakya sacrificed, Gautam Buddha sacrificed, Mahavir sacrificed, who not? Lead India, lead India. Yes, it is a project. Whatever project, it is an ideology that you want to put an ideology to the world on which people could follow, and you have 6 years' time. Six years' time. You have to think alone, you have to work alone, everything alone, you are alone. Once you are determined, you are not alone. You are with your own ideas, with your dreams. You will dream. I also dream when I will hoist the tricolor over the Senate Hall of White House. I will be satisfied that time. Yes. I want to transfer this courage to every one of my commander. You make questions. Yes, I did not answer you. Then in Odisha also, I went to a college, there was written non-punishment zone. The chief minister of Odisha does not know Oriya language. Allah. Does not know Oriya language. Sonia Gandhi did not know Hindi. And Rabari Devi did not know how to sign, how to write Rabari Devi. It took 7 days for one chief secretary of Bihar, Pathak ji, to teach her Rabari Devi how to write. And such people are coming to our leaders. Our leaders. Do you think if that is possible, what is not possible? Let us not see inside politics. Let us see outside attack. I am not a moderate, sorry. I believe in attack. Philosophical. Not that type of Napoleon Bonaparte or Hitler. Philosophical. The attack, aggression through knowledge. As everybody did, Buddha, because of knowledge. If anybody came to this planet and made some change, based on knowledge always, remember. Knowledge and sacrifice. Jesus sacrificed, his sacrifice is looking everywhere. A Padri goes to remote, dense forests and he establishes what? First a small dispensary. Then a small school. In dispensary, the pregnant women come. And they help. Their service is excellent. And we are obliging them. You are converting. Is it conversion? To seek a better life, those poor people who are not getting bread and butter, not to talk about, I'm sorry to talk about butter. They are not salt and bread they are having, they are becoming Christian. Because these people are not going to those dense forests. They don't know about their lifestyle. They are realizing that Christians are bad. Humankind, when you will sacrifice, that sacrificed material will go to the people of have-nots, they are having nothing. It is not a communist type of thought, it is a real thought. After sacrifice, certainly the quality of helping others will come to you. You will distribute everything of yours. You take it, you take it, you take it. You remember in Ethiopia people are dying of hunger. They are our children. If we are treating ourselves as Vishwaguru, they are our children. Wherever there is sinners, it is our problem. And the solution is always through peace, through non-violence. Because we have this asset, nothing else we have. We are not the expert of bullets and arsenals, we are the expert of peace, philosophy, God. What ancestors were the world leader? On what ground they were world leader? Because of knowledge. India materially was never strong. In the history, you go Ajatasattu, 600 BC. He was a barbarous king. Alexander came here, army surrendered without fighting. What this was? One leader came, Alexander, learned from him. I think, even I believe Alexander is a better motivator than Ram. Now we shall find why Ram, why are we calling Ram Alexander better than Ram? Then here religious sense will touch you and you will feel offended. This is not the quality of quality. You have to collect everything from the whole world. You have to appreciate them and mold it in your knowledge, because your knowledge is superior to all. This is guaranteed. So I propose here that an institution of such monks with high character should be formed. On request. I take that responsibility. Anybody else? Any question, please? Ask me tough questions. Prove me that I am wrong. I request you. Good arguments.
As the whole concept, what you are now proposing to make should do, the same concept only the organization was formed 11 years back, and with this blessings only the whole curriculum of Aparo, Deshkamada, and the whole way of the training programs, and the impact also uniformly all along, training more than 1 million students got at least ignited in their minds towards leading themselves, leading their families and the nation and the world. That is happening by the grace of God, as you told. But in the mundane plane, in the physical world, in the physical society to carry, we need the trainers. And the trainers needs, there are young people, they need money for their own sustenance and for their own families. And to get that money from the society and give the, engage these trainers, we are finding the money as one of the, money depending on people and the society, all that is actually done. So now in that connection, now I am very happy our President Justice Chandra Kumar ji is there, our CEO is there, our manager and other things are there. So we are in a very great transition period, Babaji. So on the grassroots level, every one of us are experiencing the grace of God in transforming the mindset of the training. That is happening. But for the training itself to carry on, we require trainers. Trainers requires money. Money has to be sponsored by some corporations or some government. That loop we are doing.
I understood. Actually. Very honorable. Yes, and his name is Gayatri Shakti Peeth. I think it should be in Hyderabad also. 29,000 workers. 29,000 workers are there and they are paid zero. Food and clothes, for dress, for small things, they are paid 300 rupees per month. And they all are either bachelor or married also, they are for whole life staying in that. 29,000 people. And they enter Gayatri Parivar after oath. After an oath, they promise that I dedicate my whole life to the country, to the religion of Gayatri, and I will work whatever, I will work for Gayatri Parivar only. And they have an admiration. How is it possible? I understand the practical problem of yours when you have to maintain your family. You need at least 20,000 rupees today per month. And money is, the problem of money is solved only by money. There is no way further. No philosophy can do anything. But at the same time, you mind
that philosophy are sold at the highest cost in the society. Philosophy has the highest cost, highest price in the world. Idea selling. So for that monetary side, what is my thought, I want to express. Ready to listen? The base is Yoga Institute. One Yoga Institute consists 50 students. You can open one yoga.com over internet. That is run by my one disciple in the Shala Himalaya. Everything will become clear to you. What is happening, as you told, suppose you are training up 50 students. You are not actually training 50 students, you are training 50 institutions you are opening outside India. Because all those trainings will go to their country, they will start selling whatever they have learned from you, and on a very, very higher cost. In America, there are many people, Americans, they have learned yoga. 1 month training in yoga in Himalaya, they have gone back to their country, they have started an institution based on their certificate, and they are earning millions of dollars. For your information, I let you know, a simple yogi who knows asana only, he is earning $10,000 in America, and doctors, engineers are washing plates in small schools. This is a fact. Take this news from New Jersey. Gujaratis are more there. They will let you know how they are surviving in America. One man is coming on 20th, he will tell you the facts. The state of mind there, where everything is there, is different. A mind who is responsible for such things, I think it is very difficult for him to go such a charity work. It is a charity work. Nobody in India will be interested to establish India as a world leader. Nobody will finance you. You have to think of yourself. Because you cannot open a limited company. You cannot be paid. And if you are paid, believe me, you are zero. You are nothing. You want to do something until unless you are alone. But there should be some way out. Solution of the problem is there. This one person you go to, I arrange, you go have training. 5 people without cost. Go take training how to open such institution in Hyderabad. And then create a website. Those foreigners will not talk to you, they will see your website. After seeing your website, they will talk to you over email address and they will pay you also. When they come, what you have committed, offer them more than you have committed. Please talk.
Babaji, I think we covered that discussion. Our perception would be wrong. The way the Acharya started, or maybe President Kalam, India wanted to be Vishwaguru, not to command all countries as a power, but it's like a developed India, getting respect, okay, and being everybody is happy in this country. So Guru is from that sense, rather than trying to be recognized by people. See how do we improve the conditions of the people?
Yesterday also, what I told you, that you talk like a social worker.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Suppose there is famine, you should help. There are people problem, you should help. Right? So I told you that my principle of leading is different. Your approach is different.
Yes.
I certainly, one time I speak India world leader. Exactly what.
Yes.
I told clearly that there is no political affairs.
Yes.
We shall have no political. It cannot be impossible. What do you mean? Development is a relative word. How can you define development? Is America a developed country?
Yes.
No.
Oh, mentally bankrupt country you are talking about.
Spiritually, that's what the people.
You want to take civilization into materialism by helping
Not
them grow.
materialism. See, at the end of the day, every person has a food to eat. Okay, the basic.
Yesterday he told Modi died, he did a lot of tapasya, he went to a monk, 36 years he was begging. So I don't know. Why is being appreciated? He was only 3.5 years in Himalaya, under one monk. I know him very well. But why is he appreciated 36? Somebody said 50 years, somebody said something else. Why? What is this storm about one character? Who promoted this storm? That he became undisputed Prime Minister of India? Do you think it is the human power? Impossible. It is a cosmic power that he is what he is. You have to admit that one man, the storm of Gandhi, finished. How the Gandhi era failed? Because the power of Gandhi was given to Indira Ji. From Indira, it transferred to Rajiv. From Rajiv, it was transferred to Sonia Gandhi. From Sonia Gandhi, because of some reasons, it transferred to Anna Hazare. And that power of Gandhi vanished after Kejriwal became a mad person. Vanished. The power of Buddha gone back. That is why Buddhists are today refusing. Remember, your God leads you. Any country, here in Tirupati, master of this state in Tirupati. Tamil Nadu, Murugan, Kartik. Maharashtra, Ganesh. Mahakali, West Bengal, and all Northeast. Lands are controlled by gods. The power of Brahma, Allah, we are puppets. I am the biggest puppet, I think, nowadays.
No, see, we need to put our efforts and then all our things will
Then you do one thing. Then you do one thing. You surrender. I give you the opportunity to go to the places. There the people need clothes. People need food. Such slogans from the beginning of the independence. Everybody गरीबी हटाओ. क्या गरीबी हटा? जितने भी भारत के राष्ट्र में सेवा के नाम पर संस्थाएं खुलती हैं, सब फ्रॉडुलेंट हैं। क्यों? राजीव गांधी का स्टेटमेंट था ये कि अगर कोई कौन सी संस्था कहलाती है ना, एक एनजीओ, अगर एनजीओ डोनेशन का 20% खर्चा करता है तो वो ईमानदार, यानी 80% तो गारंटेड है कि वो खा जाएगा। आज का राजा खुद का रोटी खा रहा है चोरी करके। जितने मेरे एमपी हैं जो उनको अलॉटमेंट मिलता है पैसे का, वो सोचते हैं आधा तो मेरा ही है, आधे में मेरे नीचे वाले हैं। 10% पहुंचता है गांव तक। ये सच नहीं है क्या? मैं नहीं चाहता पॉलिटिकल बातें करना या समाज बात करना। आप मुझे सिर्फ स्पिरिचुअल ग्राउंड पर बात कीजिए। क्यों? आजकल साधु बड़े खतरे में हैं? साधुओं के पीछे पूरा समाज बुरा है।
Student movement, youth movement, rather than spiritual leadership. Okay?
What is the goal? What is the goal of the spiritual movement?
Youth, making them.
Okay. What is the desire of those youths who are in the movement? Where they want to reach? They want to lead India as a world leader. This is the goal. Am I right?
Yes.
What is the goal of your trust? I am asking you openly. Speak in one line. What is the goal of your trust? And of the over your letterhead it is written by 2020. By the way, you should write there 2028.B. You must write there because it is confusing. What is Lead India 2020? Is it cricket team of India? AD must write there. Means there will be a landmark of time. That within that span of time, if you are able to go to your target, then you are moving. Otherwise, it is not movement. It is a type of disguised revolution. Disguised. You want to reach to your destination you are not talking about. How you want to reach? You don't know.
Individual
Yes,
share your
yes,
thoughts.
yes.
What do you think of?
Ask me your personal problem also. What are your difficulties? When money is required, money will never be a problem, I promise you. One commissioner of Pune asked me, how you get so much money from where? I said, I will show you one day. You come to our contact, I will show you. How? I was sitting in our country, Madhya Pradesh, and do you know, in caves, I am disclosing some facts, how we become rich. It is a joke for us. In the deep forest, there are so many herbs that nobody knows about. We know the quality. We can sell one herb to one person and we shall get million. Because they come for miraculous things from India. India is known as a miraculous country. Black turmeric. Black turmeric is an asset. Price is 60 crore rupees per kg. Huh? And by the way, other than monks, nobody can touch it also. It is spiritual wealth. And you will see your government, this, that, naturally. So I want to know from the deep where you are. What is your thinking level? Are you positive? Are you aggressive? Are you negative? What? What is your status? Money is the motivator, I think, and everybody admits. Suppose in the same college, a portion of one hall, this hall, only this much hall, is vacated for trainees of yoga science from abroad. In the beginning, if 10 are coming, they are putting you 10 lakhs rupees. Where is the scarcity of money? There is no scarcity of money. For Ram, there is scarcity of money there. Do you feel? Huh? Young men, you are all looking gymnasts. You can do very well. And if we are able to open only 5 institutions, this series will become very well. You are hesitating in understanding because you do not know the area. You do not know that market. And I do not want to talk like a manager. Yes, I know that also. I can talk. I can put in the total financial report here. How you will earn money. And lead India, they will take your lead India to their country. Because they have come here, become disciple of yours, and they are taught by some guru, whoever it is Indian. Whole life, if they are running the business also, they will answer like this, I learned this from India. The posters, the pictures of their walls are having all the photographs of Rishi, Muni, Patanjali. They are collecting, like they are making libraries of your Patanjali. Believe me, there are so many students, they have become teachers, they are teaching Indian people yoga. You need to join for that. If you think comfortably it is possible, I do not admit. This does not provide you a missionary life is different. A normal life is different. Missionaries, their lifestyle is different. You see Jain Munis, they go on foot always. They are missionary people.
Initially, when Ramakrishna mission was initially after the rise of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, they had no shelter, no food, nothing.
Correct. Correct.
Only 10 or 12 people were there, along with Vivekananda.
Yes. Then where will much start? Where will much start?
They are just, when they went for begging, nobody gave them alms also. That was the situation initially. They are hungry for 2 or 3 days continuously.
See, for Shanti Niketan, Rabindranath Tagore sold the copyright of Gitanjali. Sold. And nobody could help from Kolkata. All the big people were there. This is missionary's life is different, my friends, than that of any other life. It is based on all significant. Suppose you will have to sacrifice your breathing.
What I believe is that we can get public support also. Support from the common man, support from the people, support from the trainers. Why is not possible?
This is possible. See my lifestyle. A 15 lakhs car is there. Somebody, I begged it? No. Because somebody was very happy. He was in America. He said, can I be saved from this problem? I said, yes. It is a small joke. He said, you please save me. I said, you are saved. And yes, I did something. And he was saved. He came to India. He offered me car. My ashram was there in Goa, just like a beggar. I was not having a single rupee. And he made the ashram. 1 crore 35 lakh. Huh? For Lead India, money? Not a problem. But money does nothing. It supports your body. Why have I have diminished and finished all my needs? Tomorrow, suppose I will have to stay in the Gambara state. I will not mind it. I feel free. Idea, one idea I am putting you, just for a joke I am speaking. Do not record it. One person from, you remember? Swamiji asked me, how you want to start? I said, why to explain so many things? Take me as a warden of your school. I will show you. I want to stay with youngsters. I want to learn something from them. What is their state of mind? Because when India will become world leader by 2020, those children will become adults. If I do not sow the seed today of world leader, he will become a prophet all of a sudden. Because authority should be always accomplished spiritual. Suppose you are promoting. Authority, promotion should be accomplished with authority. And we have to hit the man. Man means M for money, A for authority, and N for need. We shall talk to that person who is having money, who is having authority to donate, and who is having desire to be the world leader. Maybe Vijay Malla may come ready, and he became ready for Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. We need supporters, certainly. And we have supporters, certainly. They will come here. They will talk to you. What is your problem? What is your need? Once we prove that we are missionary people, finish. What is the meaning of missionary? You know that. Gandhi was, how much he was supported by big investors? They poured money like anything. Modi ji got 16,000 crore rupees he paid only to media. The costliest prime minister ever in India. Oh, is still so appreciated. How he did? He used transparent glass. Means he misrepresented his own personality. What he spoke to the country was an acting. It was not his own statement. It is clear and scientific. But he is victorious, so he is a giant. How success comes? The people of active society do not mind, but we monks mind. How it comes? Your mantras so motivated. You speak so good mantra. Oh.
Son of India.
And his name.
Okay, claps please.
गुरु महाराजा अनाथनाथ गुरु महाराजा अनंत रूप गुरु महाराजा सद्गुरु रूप गुरु महाराजा सुमधुर मूर्ति गुरु महाराजा वेदांत रूप गुरु महाराजा विद्यागान लल गुरु महाराजा वेदांत रूप गुरु महाराजा वेदांत रूप विद्यागान लल गुरु महाराजा गुरु महाराजा गुरु महाराजा गुरु महाराजा गुरु महाराजा गुरु महाराजा पर ब्रह्म श्री गुरु महाराजा गुरु महाराजा गुरु महाराजा पर ब्रह्म श्री गुरु महाराजा परमान रूप गुरु महाराजा परमात्मने वे गुरु महाराजा गुरु महाराजा गुरु महाराजा महाराजा पर ब्रह्म श्री गुरु महाराजा ब्रह्म श्री गुरु महाराजा गुरु महाराजा पर ब्रह्म श्री गुरु महाराजा अनाथनाथ गुरु महाराजा अनंत रूप गुरु महाराजा अनाथनाथ गुरु महाराजा अनंत रूप गुरु महाराजा गुरु महाराजा पर ब्रह्म श्री गुरु महाराजा सद्गुरु रूप गुरु महाराजा सुमधुर मूर्ति गुरु महाराजा मधुर मूर्ति सद्गुरु रूप गुरु महाराजा सुमधुर मूर्ति गुरु महाराजा सुमधुर मूर्ति गुरु महाराजा वेदांत रूप गुरु महाराजा विद्यागान गुरु महाराजा